Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a quick little video here on repairing a lawnmower leaf vac. And basically the tongue has worn out and we're going to repair that. So we're going to recreate this, but not bent. So, and then we'll go in on site and weld it into place. So stay tuned. Okay, here we go. We're going to cut off out the 3 pieces to replicate this, and then we'll drill the holes. Okay, so you can kind of see we've got the shape we're trying to replicate. So we'll get a jig together to weld this all together so it doesn't move, and we'll tack it together real quick. Okay, so here we've got a little jig just made out of a 2x6. We've got 1.5 inches in the middle, which with the 1/4 inch on either side gives us our 2-inch, which will butt up right against the 2-inch square tubing that we're trying to weld this to. So we'll get this tacked in place and then do some finish welding on it. Okay, so there we go. She's all welded together and hot, but that's going to do the trick. Just grind down the exterior welds and then we'll weld her in place. Okay, here's what we came up with. 2 3/4 by 2-inch square. And you can see I still need to drill a couple holes, and then I'll probably cut off these corners a little bit so in case you hit it with your leg it won't gouge you. But overall I think that's going to work. Okay, so here we are cleaning up the area, taking off the paint with a flap disc on the angle grinder, and we'll then cut a straight area for us to attach the weld. And that's what I'm doing right here with a cutting disc. It's just a 4.5 inch angle grinder. And here I'm going to use some magnets, welding magnets, to hold the piece in place while I tack it in and get the final weld done. And we lost a little footage, but I did weld it in place and ground it down with the angle grinder. And right here I'm just doing a little touch up where I didn't get a very good penetration of the weld, and I will follow that up by grinding that smooth as well. Okay, so you can see we've got the gray primer at this point, and now we're going over with an exterior black enamel, and this should do it. It will get beat up. It's going to be hooked to a hitch, so it's not a big deal, but just trying to make it look good. And I just want to show you guys it's a simple welding fix that you can do very easily. I taught myself to weld based on YouTube videos, and I think anybody could do it with a little effort. So thanks for watching.